to Fatih Bilingual School.
School here isn't just about exams. We also learn real life stuff that really matters.
Into OSN, join Fantasco, our award-winning Science Olympiad team, champions in national and international competitions.
Love research? Innovative. That's innovations with breakthrough projects and global recognition.
A fan of traditional tunes, Gita Lele Club brings harmony and local flavor.
And if sports are your thing, Fatih Wolves, our basketball team, has brought home trophies from many tournaments.
We also offer Tahsin and Tahfiz lessons to help us strengthen our spiritual side, and character education to help us grow with integrity and empathy.
Need a home away from home? Our comfy safe dorms helps you focus on what matters: learning, growing, and building lifelong friendships.
Future leaders are made here.
So, are you ready to join?
See you at Fatih Bilingual School.